Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Nagilove shout out all the subscribers of Marife Adonis Official. And today I'm going to feature my favorite fruit, banana. Okay, and this is your Marife. Okay, what is a banana? A banana is an elongated edible fruit, botanically a berry, produced by several kinds of large herbaceous flowering plants in the genus Musa. In some countries, cooking bananas are called plantains, distinguishing them from dessert bananas. The fruit is variable in size, color, and firmness, but is usually elongated and curved, with soft flesh rich in starch covered with peel, which may have a variety of colors when ripe. It grows upward in a clusters near the top of the plant. Almost all modern edible seedless or partenocarp cultivated bananas come from two wild species, Musa acuminata and Musa balbisiana, or hybrids of them. Musa species are native to tropical Indomalaya and Australia. They were probably domesticated in New Guinea. They are grown in 135 countries, primarily for their fruit and to a lesser extent to make banana paper and textiles, while some are grown as ornamental plants. The world's largest producers of bananas in 2022 were India and China, which together accounted for approximately 26% of total production. Bananas are eaten raw or cooked in recipes varying from skewers from banana chips, fritters, fruit preserves, or simply baked or steamed. Worldwide, there is no sharp distinction between dessert bananas and cooking plantains. This works well enough on the Americas and Europe, but it breaks down in Southeast Asia where many more kinds of bananas are grown and eaten. The term banana is applied to also to other members of the genus Musa such as scarlet banana or Musa coccinea, the pink banana or Musa velotina, and the fizz bananas. Members of genus Inceti such as snow banana, Inceti glaucum, and economically important false banana or Inceti ventriculum of Africa are sometimes included. Both genera are in banana family Mosaceae. Bananas plantations are subject to damage by parasitic nematodes and insect pests, and to fungal and practical bacterial diseases, one of the most serious being Panama disease, which is caused by Fusarium fungus. This and black sigatoka threaten the production of Cavendish bananas, the main kind eaten in Western world, which is striped triploid Mosa acuminata. Plant breeders are seeking new varieties, but these are difficult to breed given that commercial varieties are seedless. To enable future breeding bananas, germplasms is considered or conserved in multiple banks around the world. Description: the banana plant is the largest herbaceous flowering plant. All the above ground parts of a banana plant grow from a structure called a corm. Plants are normally tall and sturdy with a tree-like appearance, but what appears to be a trunk is a pseudostem composed of multiple leaf stalks or petioles. Bananas grow in a wide variety of soils as long as it is at least 60 centimeters or 2 feet deep, has good drainage, and is not compacted. They are fast-growing plants with a growth rate of up to 1.6 meters or 5.2 feet per day. The leaves of bananas or banana plants are composed of stalk or petiole and blade lamina. The base of petiole widens to form a sheath that tightly packed sheets make up the pseudostem, which is all that supports the plant. The edges of the sheath meet when it is first produced, making it tubular. As new growth occurs in the center of the pseudostem, the edges unforce apart. Cultivated banana plants vary in height depending on the variety and growing conditions. Most are around 5 meters or 16 feet tall, with a range from dwarf Cavendish plant at around 3 meters or 10 feet to Gros Michel at 7 meters or 23 feet or more. Leaves are spirally arranged and may grow 2.7 meters or 8.9 feet long and 60 centimeters or 2 feet. Okay. Hmm. When a banana plant is mature, the corm stops producing new leaves and begins to form a flower spikes or inflorescence. A stem develops which grows up inside the pseudostem, carrying a mature fluorescence until eventually it emerges at the top. Its pseudostem normally produces a single inflorescence, also as a banana heart. After fruiting, the pseudostem dies, but offshoots will normally have developed from the base, so that plant is perennial. The inflorescence contains many petal-like bracts or bracts between rows of flowers. So the female flower, which can develop into fruit, appear in rows farther up the stem, closer to the leaves from the rows of male flowers. The ovary is inferior, meaning that the tiny petals and other flower parts appear at the tip of the ovary. The banana fruits develop from banana heart in a large hanging cluster called a bunch, made up of around 9 tires called hands, with up to 20 fruits to a hand. A bunch can weigh 22 to 65 kilograms or 49 to 140 pounds. The fruit has been described as leathery berry. This is a protective outer layer, a pale or skin with numerous long, thin strings or vascular bundles with which lengthwise between a skin and an edible inner portion. The inner part of the common yellow deserts variety can be split lengthwise into three sections that corresponds to the inner portions of the three carpels by manually deforming the unopened fruit. In cultivated varieties, fertile seeds are usually absent. Okay, so this is the chrome, about 25 to centimeter to or 10 inches across. And we have, this is a young plant or young banana plant. We have here the female flower have petals at the tip of the ovary and three showing fruit and inflorescence. So this is where we can. So this is single row of planting, no? And this is a fluorescent partially open. Okay. Yan, ang puso ng saging. So this is the plantation in the Philippines. So okay, so in Asia, Davao is also is one of producer of the um, banana. Okay, okay, let's move on to in taxonomy. The genus Musa was created by Carl Linnaeus in 1753. The name may be derived from Antoninus Musa, physician to the Emperor Augustus, or the Linnaeus may be adapted the Arabic word for banana mouse. The ultimate origin of Musa may be in the Trans-New Guinea languages, which have words similar to Muko. From there, the name was borrowed into Austronesian languages and across Asia, accompanying the cultivation of banana as it was brought to new areas via a Dravidian languages of India into Arabic as wonder word. The word banana is thought to be the Western African origin, possibly from the Wolof word banaana, and passed into English via Spanish or Portuguese. Mosa is a type of genus in family Mosaci. The APG, the tree system assigns Mosaci to the order Zingiberalis, part of the camelinid clade of motocotyledonous flowering plants. Some 70 species of mossa were recognized by the World Checklist of Selected Plant Families as of January 2013. Several produce edible fruit, while others are cultivated as ornamentals. The classifications of cultivated bananas has long been a problematic issue for taxonomists. Linus originally placed bananas into two species based only on their uses as food. Mosa sapientum for desserts bananas and Musa paradisiaca for plantain. More species names were added, but this approach proved to be inadequate for the number of cultivars in the primary center of diversity of the genus. Southeast Asia, many of these cultivators were given names that were later discovered to be synonymous. In a series of papers published from 1947 onward, Ernest Chersman showed that Linus Musa sapientum and Musa paradisiaca were cultivars and descendants of two wild seed-producing species, Musa acuminata and Musa balbisiana, both first described by Luigi Aloysius Cola. Cheeseman recommended the abolition of Linus species in favor of reclassifying bananas according to three morphologically distinct groups of cultivars, those primarily exhibiting the botanical characteristics of Mosa balbisiana, those primarily exhibiting the botanical characteristics of Mosa acuminata, and those with characteristics of both. Researchers Norman Simmons and Ken Shepard proposed a genomy based on nomenclature system in 1955. The system eliminated almost all the difficulties and inconsistencies of earlier classifications of bananas based on assigning scientific names to cultivated varieties. Despite this, and the original names are still recognized by some authorities, leading to confusions. The accepted scientific names for most groups of cultivated bananas are Mosa acuminata collia and Mosa balbisiana collia of ancestral species and Mosa paradisiana L for hybrid of two species. An unusual feature of the genetics of banana is that chloroplast DNA is inherited maternally while mitochondrial DNA is inherited paternally. This facilitates taxonomy study of species and subspecies relationships. All right, that's all. Thanks for making me feel better. You are banana amazing. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.